What's going on, my people? Taking me a walk down to the main road so I can get some juice and some fruit and something to snack on. I tell you, everywhere I go, my life, it's not an easy road. This is the shortcut to get down to the main road that I like to take, and it's gonna double as a photo shoot location. I have these two African outfits I made, and I'm going to take pictures down in here. If my outfit's on, I think it'll be real nice. Lovely backdrop. Jamaica keep a lovely backdrop. I got a backdrop for two of my dresses I want to wear down by the water. Yes. Need to show off my work. You get me? Just everybody's good. Look at the sun. The light always finds me. I am the light that shines. Okay? Trust and believe that. No matter what it looks like, no matter what my life looks like, I am still God's favorite. I'm almost out of the woods. Next stop, main road.